YL-566D Multifunctional Intelligent Manufacturing and Processing System that comprises advanced equipment such as robotic module, storage system, perform module, process module, examination module, tool module, sorting module, general operation module, industrial robot, CNC machine tool operation platform and so on. YL-566D incorporates professional teaching resources database. It possesses high flexibility and adapts to the production of various parts. Students can operate the system by their hands and actually learn about the whole process of intellectual production and manufacture system. They can learn about the concepts of digital manufacture, flexible manufacturing system, skills integration, logistics system, electrical and mechanical integration, as well as learn about developing direction of modern advanced manufacture. Students can also study and operate each module in this system by itself, such as robotic programming, teleteaching, repair and maintenance, welding debugging, bending debugging, visual debugging, CNC machine tool maintenance and application, machine maintenance and repair, CNC processing and parts detection, electric maintenance and repair, examination and alteration of machine tool accuracy and so on.